Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can reset your Claude AI app memory on smartphone. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. To reset memory for your Claude app, log into your Claude AI and then click on these three lines here to expose your account. So from here, go to settings next to your account profile. And if you click on settings, you can see we have various options. Under this, go to capabilities. And here we have memory. So if you toggle this on, now you'll have an option here on memories from past charts. If you try to turn off, we have an option now to reset our memory. To reset the memory, choose this option, reset memory, and then confirm by tapping on reset memory, and your memory will be reset. By resetting memory for your Claude AI won't follow the pattern or use the previous history from your charts to give future responses. So that's how you can reset memory on your Claude AI app using your smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.